Hello everyone, welcome to Newman Tech Breakdown. Today we're reviewing the Xiaomi 13, a compact flagship smartphone that focuses on performance, premium design, and camera quality. Let's see what it offers and whether it's still worth buying. Design and display. The Xiaomi 13 comes with a premium glass and aluminum design and feels solid in hand. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use with one hand. On the front, you get a 6.36-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. The screen is sharp, smooth, and very bright, making it excellent for everyday use, videos, and social media. Performance and software. Inside, the Xiaomi 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In real-world use, performance is fast and smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking is easy, and gaming runs well without major heating issues. The phone comes with 8 GB or 12 GB RAM and fast UFS 4.0 storage. It runs MIUI based on Android, offering plenty of customization and a smooth overall experience. Camera performance. The Xiaomi 13 features Leica-tuned cameras led by a 50-megapixel main sensor along with an ultra-wide and a telephoto lens. In daylight, photos are sharp, detailed, and natural-looking. Low light performance is also strong, with good detail and balanced exposure. Video recording goes up to 8K, while 4K videos are stable and clear. The front camera delivers clean selfies and reliable video quality. Battery and charging. The pack packs 4,500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with normal use. It supports 67-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, allowing you to power up quickly when needed. Price and final verdict. The Xiaomi 13 is currently priced around $600 to $700, depending on the variant and market. If you want a compact flagship with strong performance, a premium design, and reliable cameras, the Xiaomi 13 is still a solid choice. This is Newman Tech Breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.